Assalamualaikum friends. I am Bilal. I am 4 years old. I can read. Do you? Bob has a dog. The dog has a red ball. Bob has a cat. The cat has a blue ball. Bob has a bird. The bird has a green ball. Bob has a fish.